This tutorial I will show you how to create seeder in monstack. Seeder is very important when you want to populate your table with sample data. In our case we are developing a fully e-commerce website which is from A to Z. Hey guys, if you want to learn how to make e-commerce site in monstack, please like and subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make such kind of video tutorials, so please subscribe and like. Now start to our today task, and this is the you see on the screen, this is the file structure of react installation. If you do not know how to install react, please find the link in the description below, how to install react. In this tutorial I show you how to install react in very few easy steps. So after installing react project in your system, come on this video and make seeder in monstack. So let's start. First of all, we go to backend folder. Here we can add models folder, and inside model folders we can add products model, product models, product model.js file, and inside this file we can import mongoose from mongoose. This is a package which is installed by giving command in terminal, and the command is npm install mongoose. If you not install this package, install by giving command npm install mongoose. By default it is not installed in react package, and for verifying purpose even this package is installed in your system, in your product, in your project or not, go to package.json file, and here you see mongoose is successfully installed already. Next package which is used in this tutorial is express. You can also install express by giving command npm install express in your terminal. I already installed these packages, so I move forward, and here after importing mongoose, we define const product schema and assign it mongoose dot schema and parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis we add curly brackets, and inside these curly brackets we add the name of column which we want to add in product table. So in our case we add name, type string. It defines the type of name attribute which is string. Next we add required shows even this column is required in table or not. I ask this value is mandatory in the table, so for that purpose we add required column true. Next we add even this name column has property unique or not, even it is unique or not. So I want name is unique for every product, so unique property is added here. Next we make it true, and in this way we can add one column whose type is string, it is required, and it is also unique. So in the same way we can add slug. For slug all properties have same, because slug is also string, it is also required, and it is also unique. Next we move on image. In case of image we can not want to add property unique, rather is same. Now after that we can add brand in the show the brand of the product. Next we add category, mean product belong from which category, even it is cloth, garment, shoes, different, and other it belong from men category, men, female, so female categories. So these are the categories you define. Next, you can add count in stock. It is also very important column. You can define it number because it is in form of numbers. It is also required and required true. This column describes when we make full e-commerce site, and this column is used when we check even product exists in our stock or not. And after category we can add one more column, this is which is description. Inside description you can add type string. The type is same and it is also required, so you can also require it here. After that, here you can also add price is also in terms of number and it is also required. Count in stock, you can also add rating is required, and after rating we can add num reviews. Okay, num reviews. So that is it for product table. You can also add more columns if you want. Next you can add comma curly brackets after curly bracket ended, and here you can add time stamps. This attribute is very important. It defines two columns in your product table. One is created by and created at, and other is updated at. These two columns are used when initially table is created. Update created at column is assigned a value which is date and time of when table is created, and updated at whenever you update any record of the table, this updates its value. So after defining timestamp at the end, go at the end, and here you can add const product and assign mongoose dot model, and here you can give the name of product table, which is name of table, and here you can add product schema. After that you can make it export default product. So in this way product table is exported and it is used in other files in this way. If I do not define this line here, so this product table is not used in other files. So that is it for product schema. Now we go to backend again, and here we can create routes folder. Inside route folder we can add seed router.js, and inside this we can first import express from express. This is also package. If you do not install it by giving command in terminal npm install express, or go to express official site. You can also find the command for installing this. So after installing express, or importing express in your Cedar route. Here you can add const Cedar router. Cedar router name is same. It is helpful to use in different places. So Cedar router assign express dot router. After assigning router property from express to Cedar route, here you can assign router dot get, and here you can add slash. After slash, asynchronous arrow function is defined here, and here the body of arrow function. Inside arrow function you can define request and response attributes in the function. Here you can use await because function is asynchronous, and here we define product dot delete product dot here you can define product delete many. This function is used, and here we can add curly brackets. Initially this line is useless, but when you want to delete all record of the table, and so for that purpose this line is used. Initially I make it commented, and next here we can add command for adding sample data into product table. So for that purpose we can add const created products. Here we assign await product dot insert many, and insert many we can add data dot products. So what is data dot products? I define here. These data dot products is basically data is a file which is defined in backend, which is there. So that inside data file product list exists, which contains a number of products in itself. So first of all we add this file here. For that purpose write import data from product data, add js here. So this is data.js file. You see inside data product list is exist, and inside product list number of records exist. First is product 1, product 2, and so on. So these are the representation of this code. So here we can add response dot send created products, and after that created products go at the end. Here you can export. It is necessary to export this Cedar route, because without exporting this file is useless. This piece of code is useless. Now we define product model and a Cedar router. Now it's time to use this Cedar router and show the result what this occur. So for that purpose go to server.js. Here you can add app.use, and here slash URL, which is API slash seeder, and after that use this seeder router here. So this seeder router is used here, and this for this seeder router we can also add this line, because this line imports this seeder router and add this in this file. So we can successfully add the seeder router. Now it's time to check even table is created in database now. In this tutorial we are using mongodb cloud database. The method is same for cloud database, or even you are using mongodb on your local machine. Method is same, but in this tutorial I used mongodb. You can also use by creating free account on mongodb cloud server. So as you see, there is no table with product name. Okay, inside database there is no table. Now after that, here I click on this link with control click. It is open in here. Now we give the path, and the path is API slash seeder. This is the path which is required to show the result of the product table. We add here and press enter. So the site cannot be reached. So check what is the issue. Fine. You can also add import product from slash models slash product .js. So this is the file which is required because this product is used. So now check again. So we see product is successfully added and show on JSON in JSON format in the browser. So we check even this product is added or not. We go to MongoDB cloud and insert database, refresh the page and go to browse collection. You see friends, product table is successfully added and record is also successfully in the product table. This record basically comes from data.js file from here, and this is the hard coded values. So initially we use this values and store this in our database. Hope friends you enjoy this tutorial and learn a lot. If you have any question, please ask and feel free. I will definitely answer these questions, and please once again I ask you to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.